Vegas, you lying. Little Jonna the real Sing J.
Irish and Chin. Wally for respect me general. You don't know so I'm a general. Irish and Chin. It's Chin, what are you may I talk to right now? Chin, you can't make Vegas sit down and I tell you foolishness, man. You can't make the man and mash up your platform, brother.
Itsy bitsy beanie spider. You make me head chip like Lisa Hyper.
We not invite them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Them no man a pison. Amazon, the pump rifle, the bright.
Now old dog them still in a diaper. Put a hole in your face like a Russian sniper. Take where you girl me a legs divider. Turn her back way and give her the viper. Me no take this girl styler. You no like me no like you neither. Sakanoma, 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 Sakanoma.
For your platform, I tell be a lie, man. You understand? Say him a the first Sing J, man. I look at John this, you know. You understand? And we bring that round here. You understand? When me a Sing J, Vegas no born yet. You understand? When me a Sing J around here, Vegas no born yet. You understand? Ask Tristan, Michael Palmer, Jonah Reed, Half Pint. When me a Sing J around here, when me a Sing J around here, Vegas no born yet. Ask Echo Minor. You understand? Echo Minor and the whole of them man they can tell you say, Little John and me first start Sing J business. When me start Sing J business and say I mash, me come for mash it up, you know. You understand? Mr. Man will get all ice throwing on my head, you know. Just through me come with a style and the people them say, well, Little John I do. And see it, it are the thing today. That's Vegas I own it. Vegas I own my thing where my own. You understand? And in a dance hall, me invent them something there. In a dance hall Thursday night at the fight, Volcano, the Old Works, Black Scorpio, King Jammies, me originate them style there. You understand? Remember Clark's Booty I Sing J. All over me I Sing J. Mother I Sing J. You understand? All of them song there I Sing J. You understand me? So Black Traffic I Sing J. You understand? Remember, me have some song when me sing, like Look How Them Work Us So Hard, Make Your Mind, and plenty other song. You understand? So Vegas, don't bother, listen to me, man. You go pastor them flap here, you know. You go politics them flap here, you know. Don't come in a million, brother. Don't come in a million, Vegas. I look at John this. Don't come in a million. I will run this Vegas. You understand? And my invention, you want to come steal, brother? You can't steal this away from me, brother. You understand? You push up you push up yourself in everything, Vegas. One with their assault, brother. You understand? You're not tired for people usher you out, Vegas. Everything you run down pan, brother. You have to learn to know, so you have to give people them props, brethren. When we are do this, you know, born Vegas. You understand? A little Chandy.
Yo.
Looking at down sound. Looking at crowd. Yeah. Yo, done it now.
Ready now.
Yo, so you're done here, you know.
Yo, I'm done.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, something like that. Run in here. Done in here, General.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and duns. Me no care what it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and gun. The war start and I can't turn. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try aggravate me. How me gun them can't relate it. Oh real bad man fi shake it. Them want see me head dark and me head cheap. Walk with the gun and no Benz. Key the last boy where this me no dead. Free head cheap. Tell them say me head cheap. Last boy this me no dead. Free murder people without Benz. Key. Only one name buzzer telling me no bubble. Look up in a me nozzle. Brain fast body drop a gobble. When him a sip him drop the buckle. Them know the dead race when crucial gun rockle. Me no fire 30 years. The gun me bust 30 straight. Shot like you got a vertebrae.
Yo, TikTok people, so no, I can't understand. May I say everybody, every single body. See, I try don't play footer hype, greatness. Why would I don't play footer hype greatness? What footer hype doing that much? When I don't play the man greatness. Yo, I'm tell you something. You see what due to Caesar? Give it to Caesar. See? Cause all me see footer hype come out and do, you know, is stand up for righteousness, you know, and stand up for people. See? What if footer hype sick? It's a problem that's footer hype sick. Every man can sick. Remember, we are human being. We are go like we are iron or we are metal or we are stone. No, we are human being. So why everybody make it a problem? If you go there, footer hype sick, footer hype this, footer hype. I see over the years. One Kevin, always at this footer hype. He might always look footer hype attention. Gear gas. And we see a couple more people right now forward. Still a try to look footer hype attention and him not give them the attention there. I believe it's a footer hype. A real youth. Saying, you know why? Are the realest people them get the most fight. Believe you me. I see a thing named troublemaker. A whole heap of troublemaker out there. I went and them see us strive. And them say something happen for you in a social media. People are calling name. And I run with their name. A lot of them go behind all the bloggers them. I say, oh, no run with them where they blogging. No run with them content. Enough for on the pussy out there do that, you know. And pretend and come around, you know, like say, you know, have man back on a weak man, you know. But me know only, you know. A whole heap of things, you know, I go on with, you know. Just to get a little shine over social media. Get a little hype over social media. Enough for you do some things, boy, yeah. Remember, Father God not sleep, you know, now get a beat, no boy, yeah, you know, no wicked, you know. You know, go get a beat, no boy, yeah, you know. So on the low footer hype alone, man. Only thing I'm saying, brother, they come and do, man. A righteousness, man. Burn batty boy and sodomite when they found afraid for do. Not for unafraid to come and say burn batty boy and sodomite on TikTok. Unafraid for show on the face like Jack Child and footer hype and say burn batty boy and sodomite. Saying, I don't have too much batty man and sodomite, friend. I'm telling you the straight. They say someone on a batty boy and sodomite. Una unfollow Jack Child, you know. Una talk to me, you know. Can't pussy me say, you know. But me tell you that straight. Big up yourself for the hype again. Saying, me no know you, me never meet in a person, but
Say free not dumb, you know. I remember when I live in a dream. I remember when I trick ourselves in front of ourselves. I remember, you know. We never see none of L.A. Lewis documents them yet, you know. Everybody will go over LBM website. I remember say, United Nations investigate the former chief. I don't know which one of them I former chief, you know, because they have one over there where claim say my chief and we want like a crown piece of sitting that they are LA me attack. Me hear ya nibble palm my name and me hear ya nibble palm Bantu Zulu name, but at the present time when me hear ya nibble palm my name, I couldn't afford to make a video because I did it at the airport I go on the free not dumb mission, you understand me? Yeah man, without no apology and salute to all of the people them around a Mocha and salute to all of the people them where in a Guyana when I buck up in and believe in a free not dumb where them now go trick themselves in front of themselves. Cause I remember say L.A. Lewis a trick himself in front of himself, you know. Everybody will pay for documents from L.A. Lewis where L.A. Lewis promised them 3 million or 2 million or 1 million. I know me can't see them get them million, you know, but remember this, you know. What Bantu Zulu do, you know, a free not dumb and get to identify a verification as a living man, not as a straw man. I salute to the PCX banking system. Although we can't see L.A. Lewis money I spend now, you know, but anything we spend in a PCX banking system can spend internationally and locally
Remember, we not live in a dream. And all your count big head nerd boy, L.A. Lewis. Remember, you know? You are trouble me, you know, I not see you, no boy, because you look a forward and you look a hype. All your count like a system dog. A system fish. Remember, you know? Remember, so me have your palm phone up in L.A. Lewis. Remember that. Remember, you know, we're not power with fish, you know. And we're not power with street predator harpy. You hear that? Without no apology.
Willis, kneel. You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. You hear? Paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club of them TV. Feeder scale is out here. You hear? Willis! You myself know. Come on, baby, make me kneel it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock you here. Kneel. Club of them TV. You hear? Willis!
Ross, come here, door. Have a little thing me need for know. Are you this a key? Ross, the kids them will get tech where you fuck up enough. So are you and JX left there? People say you're careless, so them call CDA. Where you have to tell them say?
What tell us on the win? I'm not going to win that road, you're going to win this trip.
What would I cast this? The app is a crosses. Take check crosses, devil's playground. Be a dirty dark shit, business are exposed. Me FYP full of vibes, like when I dance skip.
She got for the whole weekend. My girl got for the whole weekend. What's the whole granny tell me say girl no like no man at all remind them. Bad man girl love. And mange. Stingy man. Girl love all scumming her. Girl love a man we have all $1,000 figure and year 6 times. $60 a year and year. You understand? What a boy like me. Blood.
It's personal.
You say that you're done with love, but you don't love me yet. And all I me hear from you, baby love, and just one bag of regret. Yeah. Why me have to be a punishment? Oh. And all I me got for you is unconditional.
Pull up after you and I first and last. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a time out.